Want clear, glowing skin without spending a fortune on skincare products? Look no further. Hey there! Today, I want to share some simple yet effective tips for achieving clear, radiant skin. But before we dive into them, let's remember something important. Your skin just one part of who you are. So, let's approach this journey with patience, kindness, and a healthy dose of self-love. Along the way, remember that imperfections are normal and your worth extends far beyond your outward appearance. Now, let's explore some gentle ways to care for your skin while embracing your unique beauty. Using a face mask is a simple yet effective way to achieve just that. Let's dive into the world of skincare magic. Creating a DIY rice mask for achieving glass skin is a popular beauty hack. So here is a simple recipe. To make that, you need a half cup of rice. You can use any kind. 2-3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or curd, a few drops of honey. Honey is optional. Rinse the rice to remove any impurities. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. After soaking, blend the rice and water together until you get a smooth paste. If you can't blend the rice by yourself, ask an adult like your mom or another grown-up in your house to help you. Safety comes first. Add 2 tablespoons of rice powder, add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt or curd to the rice paste, and add a few drops of honey. Mix it well. Apply the rice and yogurt mask evenly to your clean face, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mask on for about 20 minutes. Gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. This rice and yogurt mask will still provide exfoliation and moisture to your skin, helping to achieve a radiant and glowing complexion akin to glass skin. As always, perform a patch test beforehand, especially if you have sensitive skin. Now, I'm going to give you tips that are simple, yet highly effective for achieving clear skin. Clearing up your skin doesn't have to be complicated or involve expensive products. By following these straightforward suggestions and making small changes to your daily routine, you can make a big difference in the health and appearance of your skin. Tip number 1. Use silk pillowcases. Sleep on silk pillowcases instead of cotton ones to reduce irritation and help your skin stay smooth. Cleanse regularly. Wash your face with a gentle soap or face wash 2 times a day, once in the morning and once before bed, to remove dirt and oil. Use lukewarm water. Avoid hot water when washing your face, as it can strip away natural oils and lead to dryness. Pat dry. Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel after washing, rather than rubbing, to avoid irritation. Clean makeup brushes. Wash your makeup brushes with soap and water regularly to get rid of bacteria and prevent breakouts. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin from getting dry and flaky. Imagine your body as a machine. Drinking enough water is like giving that machine the oil it needs to run smoothly. It helps your body get rid of waste and keeps all the parts working properly. So staying hydrated is kind of like giving your body a tune-up to keep it running smoothly. Protect from the sun. Put on sunscreen every morning to shield your skin from the sun's harmful rays and prevent sunburns. Regular exfoliation. Use a gentle scrub or exfoliating pad a few times a week to get rid of dead skin cells and keep your pores clear. This prevents pores from getting clogged, which can lead to breakouts. Exfoliation can promote cell turnover, revealing fresher, clearer skin underneath. However, it's important not to overdo it, as excessive exfoliation can irritate the skin and worsen acne. Moisturize. Put on a light moisturizer every day to keep your skin soft and hydrated without making it oily. Before we move on, I just want to say a huge thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Your support keeps me going and helps me create more content for you. Thank you so much. Okay, next tip. Hands off pimples. Resist the urge to pick or squeeze pimples, as this can lead to scarring and further inflammation. And avoid touching your face. Try not to touch your face too much to keep dirt and germs from getting on your skin and causing pimples. Limit stress. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can make your skin produce more oil. This extra oil can clog your pores and cause pimples. Stress can also weaken your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight acne-causing bacteria. So, try to reduce stress through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, as stress can worsen skin conditions like acne. Now, the most important one, consult a dermatologist. If you're struggling with persistent acne or other skin issues, consider seeing a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. And always stay hygienic. Keep your hair clean and away from your face to prevent oils and products from causing breakouts. And girls, it's okay to not obsess over your skin all the time. Go outside, sweat, and enjoy life to the fullest. Your skin will thank you for the fresh air and happiness. Be patient with yourself as you navigate your skincare journey. It's perfectly normal to have small breakouts and pimples. Imperfections are part of being human. Embrace your uniqueness and focus on inner confidence. You're beautiful just the way you are. Enjoyed these tips? Subscribe for more and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's glow together. Until next time, take care of yourself.